Now I'm going to show you example 2 of how to take off PPE properly according to the CDC. For taking off PPE for example 2, we will start with taking our gown and gloves off. By doing that, you want to break your gown strap and pull away the Velcro or tie that you did. Now you want to carefully fold the dirty part of your gown, which is the outside, away from you. Now I have all of the dirty, contaminated part out here. And then I want to carefully work my gown and gloves and sleeves down my arm. Now I will grab my glove and carefully work that one out. Now I have a clean hand and the clean side of my gown, so I can use this hand to help with taking off the other glove. Now I have the dirty part on the inside, and I'm going to toss that into the trash. Now we will take our face mask off. Remember that the outside of your face mask and your goggles is contaminated, so you just want to touch the back. Take these off and put them off to the side so that they can be cleaned. And be careful to just untie the back of your mask and not touch the front. And now throw that into the trash as well. Now that I have properly taken off my PPE, I'm going to wash my hands or use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. If at any point I had touched the outside of my gown or touched a dirty glove or face mask, I will want to immediately wash my hands or use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer at that time as well. I hope that helps you with taking off your PPE properly, and I hope you stay safe.